Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we share smart financial tips to help you save money and make informed decisions. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable advice on personal finance. Insurance is a necessity in life, but that doesn't mean you have to overpay for it. Whether it's car, home, or health insurance, there are plenty of ways to get the coverage you need without breaking the bank. In today's video, I'll share practical tips to help you save money on insurance while still protecting what matters most. From understanding your real needs to taking advantage of hidden discounts, we're diving into everything you need to know. Let's get started. Point 1. Understand your needs. The first step is knowing what kind of insurance you actually need. Many people overinsure by paying for unnecessary add-ons. Take time to review your policies and determine what's essential based on your lifestyle, family, and assets. 2. Shop around. Don't settle for the first quote you get. Insurance premiums can vary significantly between providers. Use comparison websites or work with an independent broker to explore multiple options. A little effort can lead to big savings. 3. Bundle your policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle multiple policies, such as car and home insurance. Not only does this simplify your payments, but it can also save you a significant percentage on premiums. 4. Raise your deductible. A higher deductible means a lower premium. If you're confident you can cover the deductible in case of an emergency, this can be a smart way to reduce your monthly costs. 5. Take advantage of discounts. Ask your insurer about discounts. You might qualify for savings if you have a clean driving record. Install safety features like smoke detectors or anti-theft devices. Are a member of certain professional associations or alumni groups. Point 6. Review and update your policy regularly. Life changes, and so should your insurance policy. Did you get married, buy a safer car, or move to a safer neighborhood? All these factors could reduce your premium. Point 7. Maintain a good credit score. Believe it or not, your credit score can impact your insurance rates. A better score often translates to lower premiums, so keep your credit in good shape. 8. Avoid small claims. Filing frequent claims can increase your premium. For minor damages, consider paying out of pocket to keep your record clean and your rates low. 9. Shop for health insurance during open enrollment. If you're looking for health insurance, compare plans during the open enrollment period. Consider your medical needs and choose a plan with the right balance of premiums and out-of-pocket costs. 10. Ask for a reassessment. If you've been with the same insurer for years, call and ask for a reassessment. Let them know you're shopping around. They may offer a discount to keep you as a customer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on saving money and making smarter financial decisions. Let me know in the comments. What's your best tip for saving on insurance? Stay insured and save smartly.